Qudata.com.
Hello, Qudata team is here. In this video you will learn how to integrate your bot with Telegram. So, let's go through the integration step by step. I will show and comment every step for you to easily do it yourself. Let's get started. Make sure you have already built a bot with Qudata and are ready to integrate it with Telegram. Click the Channels tab, choose Telegram. Now launch Telegram. You need to search for Bot Father. To create our bot here, enter the command / new bot. Now it's time to choose a name for your bot. Type it here, and click to send. Go on and create a direct link that will end with the word bot. You will receive a bot token. Be sure to copy it. Now return to Qudata and paste the token to this field. Click the Open button to navigate to Telegram to chat directly with your newly created bot. Congratulations! You have just implemented your bot with Telegram. Would you like to learn more 1-minute tricks which can help you automate your workflow? Check our videos and learn more useful tricks to automate your workflow.